Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Flatpak apps not following your theme. First of all, you need to open your software manager and search for flatseal, which is an app that lets you manage Flatpaks, obviously. Then you launch it. And as you can see, this has a light theme, while my system has dark theme. So the easy way to fix it is click on all applications, then go down. Then we're going to open our files, click on our home folder and create new folder, .icons, and a new folder called .themes. Okay? Now if you may already have them, if you already have them, just make sure they already have the files. If not, if you've already created them, if you've created them now, you need to copy the files, both the theme files and the icon files, and you're going to find them here. So you're going to click on your disk, okay, your disk. Then you're going to go into USR, share, and you're going to search for icons. Okay, we have the icons folder. We're going to select everything from the icons folder and then copy it back on the .icons folder that we have created in our home. Okay, we're going to do the same thing for the theme folder. Themes, we're going to copy all the themes from this folder right here to our .themes folder that we have created. Okay, then we are going back to flatseal. We search for file system, and here on other files we click plus and we add those two folders that we have created. I'm going to link this, to copy this in the description of the video so you can copy and paste it easily, and also the theme folder. Okay, then as the last thing that we have to do is search for environment. Just scroll down and we have to add these two variables. Now we have to change this from your theme to your theme, to the name of your theme. To find out the name of your theme, you just open the terminal, search for, write neofetch if you have neofetch installed, or fast fetch. Okay, and as you can see, it's going to say our theme name and our icons name. So what we have to do, I'm going to write these things in the description so you can copy and paste them easily. Just remember to change this last part to your theme. Okay, in my case, my icon theme is Papyrus Dark Maya, as written here. You just have to copy this into here, just replace your theme with your name of the theme, and in the GTK theme I need to put ADW dark because it's the name of my theme. Then we close flatseal, we open it again, and as you can see, now everything is themed correctly.